Angĩkorwo effort yaku ndĩra appreciate-wo, angĩkorwo ũguo wĩkaga noguo wĩkagĩra mũndũ ũcio mũkoragwo nake ndara appreciate, be it kumpenda, be it kumsupport, he or she is not seeing the value or the worth, he or she is not appreciating you, I have a solution for you. Ndĩna kĩhonia gĩaku. Ona ũguo wĩkaga, ũguo wĩrutanagĩria gwĩka, now stop doing that. Tiga gwĩka. Let them miss what you do or what you support them with. Let them miss. Until they miss it, they will never see the value. They will never see the worth. They will never appreciate you. Until you stop it, they will never respect you. Just stop what you are doing. Cease from doing it. Kama ni kumsupport, stop supporting him or her. Kama ni kumpenda, wacha kumuonyesha sasa mapenzi. If you care so much, stop now caring. Uone. He or she will realize how important you are to his or her life. Thank me later.